Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and my today's video topic is loose coupling in Spring. In Java, loose coupling is the design principle that promotes the independence of flexibility of component within the system. It aims to minimize dependencies between modules or classes, allowing their either evolve and changes without implementing other part of the system. Loose coupling is the circular for creating modular, maintainable and scalable software. Here are the some technical and concepts in Java that can help achieve to loose coupling. First one is the interface. Defining interface helps to establish a contract between a component without exposing their internal implementation by depending on interface rather than concrete classes. Components can be easily replaced with extended without affecting the rest of the system. Next one is a dependency injection. The dependency injection technology, they whereas the dependent of component are provided externally, typically through constructor, parameter or setter. It allows components to be loosely coupled by removing the responsibility of creating or managing dependencies from the component itself. Third one is a inversion of control. Containing iOS constructs such as a Spring framework manages the life cycle and dependencies of component that enables loose coupling by handling the instantiation and injection of independent, allowing component and focus on their core functionality. Next one is a design pattern. Certain design patterns such as the observed pattern of the strategy pattern promote loose coupling. This pattern allows component to communicate or change behavior between having direct dependencies or each other. Next one is the encapsulation. Encapsulation the intense state and behavior of the classes helps to reduce dependencies by providing a well-defined interface and hiding implementation details. Changes to the internal structure of the class have the minimum impact of the components. Next one is a separation of concrete, splitting functionality into the separate modules based on their concept reduce coupling. Each module should have the well-defined responsibility, making it easier to modify and replace individual component without the affecting others. And by employing this technology and principle, development can achieve loose coupling in their Java application. This leads to improve the code maintainability, testability, and reusability, unlimited reusability in the more robust and adaptable software system. So it's all about the loose coupling in Spring Boot. Thank you so much.